Hello, welcome to the Houston Museum of Natural Sciences exciting culinary competition, Chomped, where the winners go home with the coveted Charlotte Brontësaurus award, and the losers get chomped. We wanted to show you some of what's going on in our Xplorations summer camp, specifically in our new camp, Culinary Hero. Alright, so let's introduce our teams today.
Hi, we're the Hungry Humans, and they might as well just pack it up and go home, because we're gonna win, because we're addicted to food. We have to have food every day, or we won't survive, so see ya.
Hi, we're Team Flavorsaurus Rex, and we love cats and beaches, and we're gonna cream the competition.
Here are the rules. There are 3 items in our mystery box. The contestants have to use all 3 items in this box, and they can also use anything from our pantry. Whatever food that they come up with is going to be judged based on presentation, creativity, and taste. Okay teams, it's time to open your mystery boxes.
Oh my.
Okay teams, now that you've been able to see what's in your mystery box and you've had a chance to look at the pantry, it's time to start the challenge. Ready, set, go!
Gotta wait though.
Oranges, and I don't know how that goes with the flavor profiles that they're working with.
They also put on Tabasco sauce.
Yeah.
Orange is going to be an interesting combination.
It'll be an interesting plate.
3 minutes left, teams. It is time for our celebrity judges to judge your dishes.
Well, it's a soft taco with chicken, water chestnuts, lettuce, some ground up worms, which are cheese flavored, jalapenos, salsa, a little bit of salt and pepper. It's garnished with apples and clementines and a small slice of bread.
So my initial thoughts is that the big chunk of bread is a little much for your presentation. Other than that, the apples and clementines are beautiful presentation.
Very spicy. Very hot.
Okay, so we are Team Flavorsaurus Rex, and we've presented for you today really healthy spring, summer body awareness, grilled chicken, chopped chestnut, water chestnut, diced apple with a light dusting of cheddar cheese larvettes and a sprinkling of salt and pepper and a little bit of lime juice.
Well, mine's a little hard to eat because the chicken went through, the sword went through the chicken, so it's a little...
It's definitely health conscious. It's, you know, you can eat it and feel good about yourself.
I think both teams today had some issues with spicing and seasoning. Our team 2 had some issues with over salting and not using quite the right seasonings. It's a close race today.
Yes, it is.
It is time for our celebrity judges to render their verdict. Judges, have you made your decision?
Yes, we had. Both groups did a very great job. However, each judge had a problem with a different team's meal. So we have decided that we are going to chomp you both. And we're giving T-Rex